So, Jamaican youth. Yeah, may I say this honestly too. You see, una international treasure. You see, not just national treasure. Jamaican youths, uno me anta Kiro, hungry or broke uno is una international treasure. You know see, youths all over the world, black youths all over the world respect uno. You understand? Uno is a first reference point to any cause or any reference of life. May I tell you that? Alright, may I show you how now. Please understand me. How valuable you are to the world. Stop kill off on one another and dead off like idiot. See? You see, Jamaica, yeah? Jamaica stop slavery. The whole of know that. See? Yeah, Jamaica stop apartheid the other day. The whole of know that. Yeah? Jamaica, let me explain to you, you can go research. Jamaica the first nation to use them platform at the UN to address apartheid issue, highlight apartheid issue in South Africa and the rest of the world shame and have to start address it too. Britain was the last country to condemn apartheid in South Africa. You get what I say? So you must know the grudge and the bad mind are what Jamaica did to the world. You understand what I say? Because the war where all world war them and them thing there, them there are rumors of war. Yes, people dead, blood run and it was wicked and bloody and murderous. But the type of war we really are going where a war where mankind now sick physically is a spiritual war where cause different war in a different nation where cause countless loss of life where it's not adding up as or like a world war, like the world war of such. You understand what I say? Jamaica come up with a thing named reggae music now. See? Reggae music as a political tool because if you listen back now, take a stop now, get to you, dig this now. A political issues reggae music challenge and talk about all when it not seems effective to you. Because it come natural, because of the way you think and the wavelength where you depend spiritually as a people. You understand? That's why a certain warning not too effective to you because you live it, you know it. It's familiar. You get what I say? But when other people hear it, because the thing them where you know, believe you, mean enough people no know it. But the way you say it now, because enough thing other people know, enough people you don't care. But the way Jamaica deliver it now, especially through reggae music, it makes sense. You give them reference point where them can go back to research and corroborate or whatever, refuse or refute. You get what I say? And a realistic simplicity the artists them use because nothing we're not educated at no great standard whereby we can charm nobody with no pretty Shakespearean language or no whatever rated. No, I just simplicity. You understand what I say? And one of the easiest blessings when you can communicate, like it's like making something out of nothing. When you can communicate higher up from way down here so because them up there so can't communicate, them can't relate to them so matter of fact, them train themselves not to. You get what I say? So when we can create a steer down here so and it go up there so and go resonate and make them hear because word sound is power, you know. You get what I say? And I think where music is well, when it hits you, you feel no pain. It coming like a life will move you. It's a spirit. You get what I say? That's the thing about music. And then it come with a message, a teach you something and make you aware of something. A point out life and reality to you again. That's reggae music. You understand what I say? No other music in the world is not like that. You understand? Unless a reggae music, them I try to take some instructions from. I take a page out of a reggae book. That's yours. You create that. At the same spirit we live in, you create that same music there. You understand what I said? The reason why you know focus and make more out of life out of politics is because I'm hungry. You get what I say? Them take away the daily bread from you, from Jamaica. Remember, any society where you live in and where you have to think about how you're going to eat tomorrow, you basically still are living in slavery. You understand what I say? People are supposed to wonder how they going to eat tomorrow. And next week and probably next month. And them think they, you know, see, what name there? Um, the MP there with the dreadlocks, I remember what him name. In a year a monthly grocery them man they talk about man and him mouth all run water as soon as he mention the grocery like he remember some sweet donut or something that come through straight away as he mention grocery. Damian Crawford as he mention the film 1 month with a grocery, him mouth run water. You get what I say? I saw people feel live, I saw ordinary people feel live, little ghetto people. We're not supposed to worry about food. The world, the earth can take care of every man, 5 times over, man, the way I do it, you know. You get what I say? Easy, easy. You know, see. So, is all them benefit now is by not making you know your true value, your worth. You understand? Even our politicians, them diminish you, make you have access to violence. You get what I say? Because them could have easily well put some boat out in the water and block off 18. Me and you don't know that. You understand? Them don't do it, them allow the gun them for come into, allow the scam of money for come into, unregulated. You know, see it. You know, see it. So as to disrupt the equilibrium of the spirit that exists amongst you in Jamaica. You understand what I say? It's not a normal set of people. Them carry come at Jamaica. You hear them talk about Israel. I don't want to sit down there and go on like, alright, don't believe nothing with me I say. Just do the research. Laugh after me right, you know. When you now watch this. Seeing? But just go do the research and look back on the things that I say. See the power I want to create down there. When on the stamp on the foot of Jamaica, a storm on create right across the world. You know, see it? Everybody at Africa, not everybody, most people at Africa think that Jamaica big like America or something like that, you know. That's a recognition anywhere in Africa you go. I said Jamaica people. No, you have many countries in Africa right now that accept Jamaica passport. You just transit as a citizen. Just give them your passport and you let them switch your get citizenship. Ghana do it. And a couple of them now going at that right now. Me just to show you your energy, your benefit to the world. You understand? Even not to yourself. If you don't know your benefit to yourself, me I show you your benefit to the world, to humanity, especially at a time like this where you see a bit corruption and espionage and sabotage and them things they are going. You understand what I say? Majority of the things that the world know right you know. The lit where the world lit, the second thought where the world I take, the distraction where the world I get from Babylon, because Babylon seduce them and have them in the matrix for thousands of years, or for hundreds of years, not thousands, because them just come in. You know see, have them, I seduce them for that long. Let me tell you this. Jamaicans are the only set of people who come with a style and a strategy where make them looking at themselves and say, wait, culture. Make them start study and crave culture and you understand? We are the only people who are bright and brilliant. They challenge the world in the middle of the West with not even a gun and say, Black God. All we know the world I will say. Yeah, but we are the only set of people where just break out of the spell. It's not a simple thing right now in a Jamaica when a youth manage to join the police force or the army or anything like that, go to university or even finish all-age school. It takes superhuman strength to do that. And a normal, you can't come take any British youth or any English youth, any American youth or any European youth, can't go and go give him the same level of growing up and let him go in at the same place and no, him not gonna survive, him go mad. Him not go mount to nothing, him go mad. You know see it? So me I tell you, say, it take extraordinary skill for survive, just for survive. You know, see it? Because a big enemy you know have. You know, see it? So most one can do, only way one can fight, but the biggest, strongest fight back one can do, the biggest damage one can do to the greatest enemy. It's go and be positive and sing some good tune, focus on some good reggae music and sell them across the world, man, teach the world. Because the world sit down and a beg for the knowledge from the eye them down there. You know, see it. But still, this is not a demand. This is just a recommendation. You know, see it. Because we know every man have to live them live and we know things tough. The man them things tough. Babylon set it so purposely. You know, see it. And our folly leaders them, you know, morality only applies when they are the beneficiaries. You know, see it. Yeah. Share, like, and subscribe, my people, man. You don't know. Comment and make we have a discussion, man. You know, see it. Make we believe in ourselves believe in yourself some more, Jamaica. You know, see it. Yeah. Me no mind beg that. Me no mind beg. Me no mind say me I beg on that. You know, see it. Yeah. I mean, I know why the people I'm telling the place, especially the people I'm there abroad. I know right you know, if I go to London in a South, in a shop of South London. Anyway, in a shop of London. See, so if 100 people have shop in a London, yeah? About one of them are Jamaican. That's how a little bit Jamaican is run shop of London. But you any shop where you go in, other way or other in a patois, man. Other way, I'm and stuff come like any cross. Well, you have certain go village and certain go town. Where you go and you can't, you talk patois and you have to repeat yourself. You see it. But majority of the places them you go, man. A patois you talk, man, and everybody understand when somebody in the mind shot, they repeat it, them reply to you in a patois too. Me not ask you, brother. Me I tell you. If you don't mind shot, they reply to you in a patois. All people when they talk English, no say a Jamaican that for them. Yeah, you talk, man. Yeah, and if you even, most people when me show them the size of Jamaica, them want to drop on them face. Most people, most foreigner, when me show them the size of Jamaica banana map, man. I want to the man the funniest thing, man, is the people laugh till them can't believe at a little place the Talawa saw. Share, like, and subscribe. Yeah? Take care of yourself, man. You mean more to the world than Isle. Jamaica. It sounds like a joke, but how could I make my people that really believe this Rastafari? All the madman them on the road. Worth more to the world than Isle. Than petrol and gas. We are run car. You hear me? More bless, Rasta. More bless. I just want to know. You know, see it? I just want to know. And if you don't know them things, I probably want to show more regards for humanity. For the one another. Probably that way the man them for telling them what I mean and stop telling them what I do. Because what I do is just a result of what I know. And what I don't know. You know, see it? You know, see it? Respect.